Okay, now we've got a pack of orifice, the right size for this kind of cooker, AEG. Now you have to find your own type and make sure you get the conversion kit for the right cooker, because they're all different orifice sizes. The ones we had, I've taken them all out and cleaned them nicely and kept them in a separate bag, and I've written the numbers here in case I need them in the future to convert back again or for any other reasons. But for comparison, just so you see the difference between the orifices, this is the original natural gas orifice for the big hob, and that's 146. Now this one is going to replace that, and you can see the difference between the orifices. This one is 96, that's 146. So 146 is going out, 96 is going in. And you need a set of socket set to tighten it up. Just make sure you don't tighten too much, because you might just shear it off. The rest goes with the rest. I've set the right sizes for each hob, and make sure some of these hobs, they're too tiny, you can't put your fingers there. You have to make sure you're not losing it there, because it'll be difficult to take them out. And this is going here. Originally for natural gas, these two were 96, but I've replaced them with 70. And the smallest one is going to be 50. Originally it was 70, because it's so small here. I have to make sure I can get this. And that's it. The last one, originally it was 119, I'm putting 86 there. That's according to the chart. You can find your own chart for your own cooker. And that's done. Now, next thing is connecting it to the LPG, your gas bottle, and testing it. You might need adjustments. Behind these knobs there are screws that you can adjust the flame. You don't want a yellow flame, you don't want it to be too high or too slow. And that's it. Just make sure you get the right orifice sizes for your cooker. Okay, we've all done it. we put the orifices there, put the cover on. I didn't actually have to adjust anything, but there are brass screws right on these knobs. You have to take the whole thing out. When it's all open, you can adjust them, but usually there's no need to adjust those. And don't get them confused with the other silver screws. It's just a brass colored screw, and that needs to be adjusted. But without adjustment, everything is fine, working. The plug is not plugged in. I haven't got a socket around here at the moment. It's connected to a gas propane now. And it's converted to propane. You put the label at the back of it to say this has been converted to propane, so in future if anybody else sees that, they don't connect it to the natural gas. So because I don't have a spark, it's not connected to the power, I have to ignite it myself. So you can see nice and blue flame. I have to hold it down a little bit so the thermostat, the thermocouple gets warm enough to stay. And that's that. And that's that one. All of them maximum blue. There is no yellow, there is no red. Perfect. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comment. And again, if you're being silly with your comments, I'm more than happy to remove them, and that will help my video rank higher. Thank you very much.